What's the meaning of caravansary? Caravansary. Caravansary.
Caravansary. Caravansary. A caravansary is a type of inn or rest stop for caravans and travelers in the Middle East and Central Asia. It provides lodging, food, and water for both humans and animals. Caravansaries were typically built along major trade routes and were essential for trade and transportation. They often had large courtyards and rooms surrounding them, providing a safe and secure place for travelers to rest, trade goods, and socialize. Today, many of these historic caravansaries have been restored and converted into museums, hotels, and cultural centers, preserving their important role in history.